Here I will discuss gas law in KTG. So some important gas laws. So first one is Boyle's law. So Boyle stated at a certain temperature, pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to its volume. So now basically what Boyle's is saying, we know that ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT. So suppose at a certain temperature, that means they are saying that temperature is constant. Now understand, if temperature is constant and R both are constant, so the overall this term is going to be constant. That means PV is equal to constant, let's say K. Then we can write PV is proportional to 1. That means P is inversely proportional to the volume. This is the Boyle's law. Okay, so we can also say, if this is true, PV is equal to K, then we can say P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 for a gas at constant temperature. Correct? Yeah. Now the other law important is that Charles law. Second, Charles law. So Charles stated that at constant pressure, volume of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature. So we have ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. So if this is true, we can write nRT by P. Now we can also write nR by P and T. Now if pressure is constant, then overall this term will be constant. That means we can say that V is equal to constant into T, and if this is a constant, then we can remove the constant and we can show the proportionality. So V is proportional to T. That's what Charles said. At constant pressure, volume of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature, which we are obtaining here. Okay, so we can also draw the graph for that. If we wanted to draw the graph, this will be the graph. If we wanted to draw V and T at constant P, and of course in Boyle's law we said that P will be inversely proportional to V. That means PV is equal to constant was the relation, so it will be like this. Okay, so these are the graphs for Boyle's law and Charles law. Now the other law, we can have the Dalton's principle of partial pressure. So now we can write third one. Dalton's law of partial pressure. So what Dalton said, before that let me tell you, this is a container vessel which has volume V. Now here there are lot of gases are there, so mixture of gases. Okay, number of gases are there, like 1, 2, 3 and 4 up to n gases are there which are mixed. And the important point is that these gases are not miscible. Okay, so individual gas will have the different pressures like P1, P2, P3 and so on, Pn. So total pressure, let's say total pressure exerted by the gaseous mixture is given by P total is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 up to Pn, or summation I is equal to 1 to n Pi. Okay, now we can utilize PV is equal to nRT. So P can be written as nRT by V. Okay, so if T is same for all gases and V is obviously same because the container has volume V, N and R are constants, so we can write here that P total will be is equal to nRT by V, but number of moles will be different for one gas, so N1 RT plus N2 RT by B dot 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 to n terms. So now this will be RT by V is constant which can be taken outside. This is P total N1 plus N2 plus N2 up to n terms. So the total pressure of the gas will be the summation of the pressure of the constituent gases, individual pressure of the constituent gases. Condition applied, they are not miscible. Okay, so basically gases should be non-reacting. Fine. So this is the Dalton's law of partial pressure. So these are few important gaseous laws in kinetic theory of gases. Okay.